What's up everybody, whydavis here, back with another review. Tell me showing you guys the ASICS Gel-KAYANO Grape. Now you guys know I'm a retail poppy, so you guys may be looking at this video like, wait a minute, a Poizon box? Yes, a Poizon box. First of all, shout out to Poizon for sending me these shoes. Now let's get into it, guys. Now these shoes do come double boxed, as I'm about to show you guys. On the front here, you guys can see that it's authenticated and trusted. When you guys first open up the box here, you will have this card, and on this card, one side will have Poizon logo. On the other side, you can see that these shoes were authenticated, and this is a certificate showing you guys that your shoes are real. And when you scan this barcode at the bottom right there, you will get a link and show you guys the shoes that you did purchase. And on the next step here, when I do open up my box and show you guys these shoes in a second, it will come with these as well on each shoe with its own code. All right, and you guys can see that they did look at these individually and check your shoes. And I love that about this app. I don't think any other app is doing that right now. And this app really does make you feel secure when you are buying these shoes off their website. These did come to me pretty fast as well. And you guys can use my code Davis for extra discount during this holiday season, Black Friday, whenever you guys want to use it on anything you want to purchase from their app. So that's two things that I really do like about this app. And if you guys are even second guessing it at that, they do have free legit checks on their app where you guys can just upload photos and see if your shoes are real or not. But let's get into it, guys. So this is, wow, my first purchase off the Poizon app here. And I'm really impressed from that whole process that I just explained to you guys. But just looking at this shoe right here as well. Boom, here it is. What do you guys think about it? Is it a cop or drop for you guys? The hottest shoe on the marketplace, what everybody wants right now, the Gel-KAYANO14 or the 1130. Let me know what your favorite is in the comment box below, but let's get into it. And these did officially drop on the ASICS website. They did go really quickly, and I had to have these in my collection, and Poizon did have them for me for a really good price. All right, this is the tissue paper on the inside, but let's look at the shoe, guys. Now, looking at the bottom of the shoe here, you guys know this is one of the best-selling shoes right now and one of the best-selling shoes of the year. Looking at the bottom of the shoe here, it is in black, purple. You get a little bit of hard plastic down there, a little like a silver, translucent. All right, looking at the midsole here, it is in white, purple, and gray on both the outside and the inside of the shoe. Looking at the base of the shoe here, it does come in this white mesh. Over top of that, we do see like this gel TPU type of material in black and silver and gray. All right, looking on the inside of the shoe, it's the same thing, same materials. What do you guys think about these? Is this something that you need in your collection? Or no? I know the Gel-KAYANO14s is everybody's favorite right now, and then the 1130s. But let me know which model do you guys think is the best. I know a lot of people also like the Gel NYCs. Looking at the toe box here, we do get this breathable mesh like we've seen on both the outside and the inside of the shoe. These shoes won't crease up on you because of the material used. Looking at the mudguard here, it is in silver and black. Coming up from the bottom of the toe box right here, we do get it in black. We do only get one set of laces in these. They come with some white laces. You get this white mesh tongue. All right, in the middle there we see a little bit of black, and at the top here it says ASICS with the background being in white, and a little bit of black hits. On the inside of the tongue here, this is a size 11 once again in women's. Just told you about the shoe and where it's from and everything like that. We do get some tissue inserts on these. Looking at the sock lining of the shoe here, it is in black. Looking at the actual insole of the shoe here, it is in black as well, and it says ASICS Gel-KAYANO14 in purple in the bottom of, and on the bottom of that it's in white and black. Turn around the insole here, you do get this insole that is made from recycled materials. Just show you guys that real fast. Underneath the actual insole here, it is in white, and we get a stamp down there on both insides of the shoe underneath the actual insole, just in case you guys are wondering about that. Coming towards the back of the shoes here, we do see the mesh in the background in white. It says gel on the back of the shoes here, and on both outsides of the shoe it says Gel-KAYANO14s in black and purple. That's what's in the background. But back to the back of the shoes here, it is a majority of a silver. Underneath that, we get a little bit of gray and purple. And that's pretty much gonna do it for this shoe, guys, all right? I'll show you guys my foot in the toe box right now. Okay, guys, so with like on feet, pretty clean in my opinion. Now I'm a true size 9, I'm gonna get 9.5 on my shoes. I will say that this is a true to size fitting shoe, but if you want a better wearing experience, have a wider foot, you know, go up half a size in my opinion. I do have just a little bit of slippage on here, nothing too crazy. I can walk on this. If you guys know how to duck walk, you know, you will have no problems. I have just a little bit of slippage, nothing too crazy though. It's not just like coming off my foot, as you guys can see. Now lace stuff, you know, you won't have any problem with these as well, especially if you go up half a size. They feel really nice and comfortable on feet. One of the better, you know, models of this shoe right here. This one is a little bit more comfortable than an 1130 in my opinion. But I'm gonna show you guys what these look like with some different pants options right now. Okay guys, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.